Last time on the Offroad Tradies, we packed up camp after a very interesting night at the Lion's Den Hotel and made our way to a free camp near Coen. Along the way, we stopped at the beautiful Cooktown and checked out some of the local sites and attractions. A fairly long and uneventful day of driving finished with a barbecue dinner. Morning. We just camped about 50k short of Coen last night, free camped on the side of the road. We're going to head into Coen now, go through the vegetation inspection, and then probably head up to Weipa for a couple of nights. Maybe do some fishing tomorrow, a bit of exploring, and then from Weipa we'll head up further up.
Just pulled up at the wharf at Weipa to throw a line in. First one for the trip. You know, our good man Luke here getting in his, he's in his element now. He's got the fishing gear out.
We'll see.
Loving life. Sunscreen up ladies, very good.
Dad, how big is your fish going to be?
I don't know, Bob. We just want to catch our fish, I think.
How big is your fish going to be?
How big is my fish going to be?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Big enough to eat, hopefully.
Yeah.
Big enough to feed everybody.
What's the big fish that you want to catch? 100 million centimeters. Curl, have you got caught a fish yet?
No, I haven't caught a fish yet.
Quick! Come and see, Curl caught a fish. A lot of hard work and perseverance, but we've finally landed our fish. Probably not another table fish for dinner tonight, but still a fish, needless to say. What do you think, girls?
Good.
It's fine, look. Hasn't got teeth or anything.
Aqua.
It's got nice shiny colours, hasn't it?
Pretty.
Beautiful colour.
Yay.
No, it's got to get back in the water. How do you feel, Knackers?
Oh, super stoked.
It's a fish. You got the. At least you landed yours. Kylie didn't land hers. I'd say
That's our first for the trip. Hopefully not the last.
definitely not the last.
Better get this bad boy back in the water so it can grow up.
Sticky. Emily had it.
Rip entry. Morning. Saturday. What day? Saturday. Yep. We're just packing up here from camp at Weipa, and it was a lovely stay here. Got some fishing done. It's a great caravan park, right on the water's edge. You can go for nice walks. Got a nice restaurant there if you need it. Very happy with the conditions here. It was awesome. Shady, grass, good amenities. You couldn't ask for much more. Thank you very much to the Weipa Caravan Park. We're just getting the final things sorted now, topping up water for the van. We're going to leave at Bramwell Station. Morning, girls.
Hi.
What do you think for a sec? So just topping up all the water levels before we go. Make sure we got some good water. How you going with your packing up? Cool?
Hey, I'm on top of it. I'm nearly done.
Nearly done.
Everything got sorted. Just tie our new fancy smelly crab pot on.
That we found out the bush in an old dump site. We'll give it a crack at some stage. But yeah, everything else is pretty ready. Just got to load up the last few bits and pieces. Pop the van down, take it to Bramwell. We've got all the gear loaded on top now. Sleep. Don't be holding on to something. Righto, Palm Creek chicken track. Entrance here, not too bad. Through and across to where the girls are down there, through the creek and up and around to the left. The exit's going to be pretty ordinary mud wise, so we've just let our tyre pressures down to 20 at the front, 25 at the back, just because there's a bit more weight at the back. And so it will give us a bit more traction in the mud. Winch is out ready to get ready to pull us up the other side, because it looks very ordinary. So
snatch block at first. It goes around the block, the rope goes around the block, and I'll hook back onto that D.
yeah.
So that might go a bit further.
I'll just have to get that prep when I get there, because that's not out ready, is it? Your tyres look flat knackers. But
should be 25.
So we're gonna have a crack. If we can't get this, means we're going back to the main road, and no one's done that today, so I don't want to be the first. So we're gonna have a go and see what happens. So we're just about to, Cole's just taking the recovery gear over the other side, getting it prepped up so that if we do get stuck, we can pull ourselves out straight away, and then I'll be the one that pulls people out from that point forward. Just probably another couple of minutes and we'll be heading into it.
I'm ready. Stay left. You're going to drop right first, so I'll be further left, a little bit. Right end down. Yep. Probably swing left again there a little. Probably come far right as you're game enough. A little bit further. Righto, straighten up. I'm going to drop off there now. Slowly. Woo. Yeah, stay left as much as you can there. It does drop off a little bit on the right, just next to me there, so not a lot.
Yeah, no worries. Phase 1 down, phase 2 to go.
So we're going to drag you all along, stay left as very best you can. Hold up.
Woo!
Oh, you almost made it! So close!
No, Dad, I can see the bit.
You were close.
Yeah.
leaking. I'm like a duck hanging in the Chinese restaurant. I didn't think I was going to get there.
It was so close. Seriously, look. Had you have got another metre?
Your reporter pulled out?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah, bub.
stop. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, nobody else is going to be able to get out there now.
That's what my winch is for, to pull people out.
We could go down there and like pat it.
Your hook's not quite big enough to feed both these in. I might just leave it. It's going to have to be unclipped.
Yeah, right.
That wasn't me.
Just going to wind up, take some tension.
They told me to come back.
So just take up some pressure there and I'll start wheeling in. Try again. Then right hand down. Still coming.
You alright? Ready? And we're out. The Offroad Tradies wouldn't be possible without our sponsors and supporters. You can find the Offroad Tradies on Instagram and Facebook. Hit us up if you've got any questions or just want to stop and send a message. For information on upcoming tours and events, check out our website.